It is Saturday, May 2nd, and I am walking into the main connector area. You can see that I am virtually surrounded by the new steel construction. It is exciting. It's quiet today because all of our contractors are not on campus. However, I do have my mask and gloves, and I will go into the building and take some pictures in there as well. But I wanted to let everybody see all that's happening and that has happened during this closure. It's a quiet campus. Typically on a Saturday, we'd have all kinds of outside activities, student athletes participating in competing, teachers, advisors, support staff. It's all quiet, but we are making progress, and I just want to keep you folks up to date. I'm about to take a walk into the main office in our west building and take a look around. So join me. We've been looking to take full advantage of a bad situation. This closure has been difficult, but we've been getting into the building and doing a lot of interior renovation. I'm walking into the 100 hallway. You can see some of the significant renovation that is underway. As we look to accelerate our renovation project so that we can be ready for the opening of school in September. What you're looking at here is the media center down the end of the hallway, the end of the 100 hallway. And what we're going to be doing when this new construction is finished is that's our MDF room, our computer mainframe. And that's going to be the continuation of the 100 hallway out and into the new connector. So we want to get started. In order to do that, we need to clear out all of the classrooms here at the end of the 100 hall. Now entering the wood shop, and we can see the tremendous cleanup effort that is underway. So proud of our faculty for all the great work that they've done to get this area ready for the significant renovation that it's going to undergo. So I'm walking into room 400 right now. What you hear the roofers. They're taking full advantage of our closure. So I don't think we could be having instruction going on while this is going on. But I'm looking out the window to room 400. You can see that everybody's busy, and we're actually starting the construction of the 300, 400 classrooms. So if you walk from 300, those are the connecting doors, and inside is where all the construction's going on. So here I am in the new connector to the 300, 400 hallway connector. You can see they're starting the two classrooms. This is going to be one of the doors. So I'm taking you outside the 300, 400 connection. You can see how they've started the foundations for the new classrooms. Again, we're trying to take advantage of a very difficult situation. A lot happening on campus. Unfortunately, what I don't see are students competing in all the spring activities. We miss you guys. And I'm outside the ag classroom now, walking in the student pathway between west and east, and you can see the progress they've made with all the steel construction. It is exciting. So I'm looking forward to the day all of our teachers and students, support staff can come back on campus and get about the business of schooling, what we do so well here in NB Nation. We miss you all. I want to take a moment just to tell you all how much the Board of Education, the administration, we've all appreciated all that you've done. Boy, you really stepped up during this closure. You all deserve medals of honor. I am just so thrilled with all that you've done and continue to do. So thank you, and be safe.